Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
In this video, I'm going to teach you how to bake almond flour brownies. We need 1.5 cup almond flour, 3/4 cup coconut oil, 150 grams semi-sweet baking chocolate melted in the microwave for 1 minute, 3/4 cup Dutche processed chocolate powder, dash of fine salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolates, 4 medium eggs, baking pan, mixing bowl, measuring cup and spoon, silicone wire whisk, silicone spatula, and wax paper. Combine almond flour and chocolate powder. Add a dash of salt, add the vanilla extract, add the eggs one at a time, and mix it well. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Add the coconut cooking oil, mix it well. Add the melted chocolates. Sorry, not in the video. Preheat the oven. Put the brownie butter in a baking pan. add the chocolate chips. Bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until the edge of the brownie separates from the pan. Let it cool on a cooling rack. Our finished product, almond flour brownies. Fudgy, but not too sweet.
If you are looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit my Jumbo Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.